Hello everyone, welcome to AI Management Lab. Today I'm going to talk about how you can make your own customized portfolio uh, that updates on the live prices uh, in Google Sheets. I'm going to use an extension for called Google Finance. I'm not installing anything. It is direct functionality of Google Sheets. Here I'll be covering how you can fetch the current prices, then how you can see the 52-week high and 52-week low. I'll be also talking about how you can track prices from both NSE, that is National Stock Exchange, and BSE. My focus is on how you can pull this data live in the Google Sheet. There is a certain delay, so this is not meant for trading, but general uh, portfolio design. I'm going to teach you how we can do it with the tickers, and we can build a simple sample portfolio like this. So let's get started. First, let's go. I will track. I'll show you how the formula works and how we can use symbols from NSE and BSE to get the current price that is going on right now. Now this price, make a note, is somewhat delayed with 20 minutes, but still it is okay to be used for financial modeling that you want to see, or you want to do collecting, you want to collect data over time. All those things I'll show you how you can get historical prices as well. But the formula is very simple. I'll just show a live demo. So before the formula, we want to know the symbol. So the first step is to get symbol. Now what is symbol? Symbol of Reliance can be found out from both from NSE and BSE. Let me jump to quickly to NSE. So this is the NSE website. This is the what you see here is the NSE symbol. What is written here. This is very important when we are trying to pull data for any of the stocks that you want to track. So if you see, NSE is more or less the word that you see here, and I'll just give you an example. So we know that the Reliance symbol, Reliance Industries Limited. So the Reliance symbol is the name Reliance. I'll quickly write the formula: equal to Google Finance. Now in double quotes, you have for tracking NSE, you have to append before the symbol NSE colon, and then type in the symbol, that is Reliance. Now put a comma. Now you can track a lot of things, but here for simplicity purpose, for just starting, I will be tracking price. In double quotes you write price, close bracket, and 1381.7. You see, so this was the price of NSE live. Now let's see how do we track for BSE. Now for BSE we have to take two things into consideration. First things first, as you appended this NSE here, this NSE here, in if you want to do from BSE, again Google Finance, uh, you have to append with BOM. It stands for Bombay Stock Exchange. So BOM, and this number that you see here can be found out from BSE website. Now BSE website, you see this is the Reliance page for BSE website, and the number up here 500325 is the tag that we want to use for tracking BSE stock prices. Let me quickly copy it and paste it here, and now I want to track price. You see, we get the current price for BSE. This is how you track prices, there are a lot of these arguments that you can pass on from for Google Finance. I will attach my blog. This has a list of all the attributes and all the uh, arguments that you can pass in the formula. That's volume average, date delay, volume, high low, open price, PE, high 25. All these things can be a part, can you can pull in data using these. Now let's understand if you want to track data over time and you want to see trend. I'll quickly just show you here. So this is a Reliance trend chart. I'll copy it and I'll show it in the second sheet. So the formula for this Google Finance, if you want to see price trends over time, is the start date and the end date. Start date can be, say, if you want to track for weekly, you just press tab here. Based on the date, you will get all the prices for the last 7 days. You can use it like this, and this will give you last 31 days. Now where this can be used, this can be used if you are collecting data for some model, you're modeling all those things. Instead of downloading data manually and putting it in Excel and then generating model, you can directly use these formulas to directly get these details here. Now let's quickly go to and see how I have made a sample portfolio using this. Here, what you have to start off, this is all data that I have prepared. This is not investment advice or anything. Okay, this is just sample numbers. I have put the stock name as Reliance, Infosys, TCS, and HDFC Bank, and added their appended details here with the symbol NSE Reliance, NSE Infi, NSE TCS, and NSE HDFC Bank. This is what quantity I have bought and what is the buy price. You can get it from here. The fun begins from here, column E. How you can see column E is the current price, is what we discussed in the other sheet. So Google Finance B2, that is your NSE Reliance, and in double quotes you get the price. Now you want to see what is the change percent going on, is same with the argument change percent. You can refer this sheet or the Google Finance documentation also. The change percent, the percentage change in the price since the previous trading day close. So this will give the change percent. You get the change percent here. The market value is simple multiplication of quantity into the current price. Your invested value is buy price into the quantity. Profit and loss is a subtraction of the market value minus the invested value. The 52-week high, if you want to do analyze your stock, how it is performing against 52-week high and 52-week low, you can do it with this argument, that is high 52 and low 52. So you can track and make a customized portfolio like this. Now these are simple Excel formulas where I have put in total invested amount, total value, and total profit and loss. You can make your own visualizations and charts using this. So that is all that I wanted to share. I'll plug in these uh, these links if you want to go and check inside. Uh, there are a lot of these additional features that Google Finance provides, that is start date, end date, interval, and all these things can be uh, very easily used to create your own portfolio. Say if you want to do modeling and all, this is a very nice way to collect data as well. The only thing that you have to take care when you are tracking for NSE and BSE is the appending of the various symbol, that is NSE, and for National Stock Exchange, and for Bombay Stock Exchange it is BOM, and you can track the prices like this. So hope that helped. Please do give a like, and do subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.